Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am DEETS Maintenance in case you don't already know, and in today's video, from the intro already you can tell we're going to be doing the Boohoo knotless braids. Guys, I'm super excited about this braid. I literally had to share it with you guys. I'm going to be letting you guys know the details, what I requested for, and the process in which this hair went. I'm going to be sharing all I can with you guys as you guys watch me get this hair braided. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to be letting you in on what I told my hairstylist I wanted. So first of all, we have the length. I told her I wanted the length to be at my bum. I wanted this hair long. I just feel it looks so much beautiful when it's longer. That's just my opinion. I wanted it long and I got it. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is the pattern. I told her I wanted triangular pattern and that's what I got. Okay, and then for the attachment, I used normal expression. For the braids, as you can see, I use the normal expression in color 1. Then my curls are from an old wig that I cut off. So this is like human hair extension that I cut off from my older wig that I wasn't using anymore. So that wig was a water curl, kind of curled wig, right? So that's the wig I cut off for the extension of this hair. So I really like the way my hairstylist actually made this hair. Like, she really bodied this hair, if you ask me. I love the outcome, sincerely. So one thing she went ahead to do that I liked also was she went ahead to trim as she was making it, because it was going to be difficult for her to trim afterwards because of the curls. So while she was making it, she was trimming and making and trimming, and she's extremely fast. So I love that for her, and I love that for me also, because the hair took a while, but it didn't take so much as I thought it would because of the length. She was really fast. And then if you can see two people finishing off. Those are girls, so she brought them to make the work like way easier and way faster. So normally I'm not a fan of like boho braids, because when you use that normal curled extension, after a while it's going to tangle up and it's just going to mess up your braids. It's going to be looking so rough after a while, right? But one thing I've discovered about this one is the older it gets, the more it looks finer. Not that it looks finer, but it doesn't look as rough as the other one would, and it doesn't tangle up because it's human hair. Like, I can literally run my hands through without product, and that's like a plus for me, because I mean, who wants to spend money on braids and after a while it's looking all tangled up? So that's why I actually prefer using this human hair coils than using the regular coils. Trust me, game changer, babes.
오늘의 날씨 일기예보는 맑음 햇살 밝은 오후 무작정 어딘가 향하는 발걸음 너와 자주 걷던 거리 어쩌면 너무 익숙해져 버린 습관과 같아 매일 너랑 기억에 갇혀 살아 사랑을 받았었던 추억들이 피어오르네 그림자 없이 날 비추는 태양 그 아래 우산 없이 그냥 흠뻑 잡고 있어 화나게 웃을게 비가 그치면 just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusing? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run.
So once we were done, or once she was done, the other girls went to the other side and we're finishing up the tip. So what you're seeing her do, she's just looking, she's trying to separate the curls from the tip of the hair, because what she's going to do is just put only the tip of the hair without the curls. She's going to put only the tip in hot water, so it has that smooth finish at the bottom, and so she can actually trim everything to kind of be equal with a blade. So like she's just separating it so she can dip that in hot water, which you will see, and then she'll go ahead to use a blade to kind of make everything the same length, and then she dips it again in hot water just to give that fine look. And then afterwards she went ahead with my what's it called, my Hawaiian 14-in-1 miracle spray. I don't know, the curl activator, the curl activator. She's just going to use that to bring the curls back to life. And baby, like once she was done with that, like it just gave the hair a whole different look. Like it was just looking so beautiful, guys, so beautiful.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile.
So my lovelies, now we're done with this hair, and look at how gorgeous this hair is looking. Oh my god, I'm screaming, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead to show you guys how to care for this hair once it's kind of getting older. So that's what the rest of the video is about. But let me know your thoughts down below about what you think about this hair. Let me know your thoughts down below. Okay, let me know what you think down below. I love it, but I want to know what you think. Will you be trying it out? And yeah,
Know that I would, 'cause I'm just loving this moment. Can't always stay here.
hey my lovelies, so today is exactly 1 week since I've gotten my braids done. Okay, I know this makeup, I have this makeup look up, so yeah, that's why it's banding like this. I filmed the tutorial for you guys, so if you've not checked it out, make sure to check it out. But this is exactly a week since I've had this braid in, so we're gonna do like some kind of maintenance thereabout to kind of have it pop in. But I really love the fact that I used human hair for this what's it called, for the curls, because it just makes it less tangly. Because if I had used the normal one, by now it would be really tangled. But like, see, I can separate it and I don't have any product in. So we're just going to do like a very quick, I'm going to show you the product I used to kind of get it all together and make sure I'm looking good. So the first thing we're doing is getting into our edges. We're just going to lay that down. Nice, still lay edges.
I would, 'cause I'm just loving this moment. Can't always stay here forever, 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 forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this.
We just did a little bit of something with edges, nothing too serious, okay? I don't think it's like really rough that my edges are like much of a trouble. But normally by this time, if this was like the normal braids, I'll go ahead to trim a bit from the pattern. But because this has the curls, I think even when it's rough, it still looks very nice. So I'm not going to go ahead to trim anything, but I can actually go ahead to trim, but I don't think it's going to make much difference. I don't think so. So let me show you the product I use for the curls. I use this Hawaiian silky what's it called, 14-in-1 miracle worker. It actually makes the curls really soft and easy to detangle. So I don't know, for some reason the spray, okay, it's working. It's actually working, but I actually just opened it from the, like I just open it regularly. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start detangling through the hair. And because it's human hair, it just moves really easily. You might want to section this to kind of make it easier for you. You might want to go ahead to section it. That's what works for you. And one thing about this hair is it's going to shed. It's going to shed every time you run your hands through it. It's going to come out because of the human hair. But the shedding it reduces by the day actually. It's not as much as the first day, it's not as much as the second day. It just kind of reduces as you go. So normally before, if I run my hair through like that, the shedding would be so terrible, but not anymore. Okay. So just see. So you can't tell me that's not looking better already. Okay, so that's that. You can use any color activator you have, actually works. Anyone works. Normally I will use the anti-Jackie Coil Lala, but I ran out of that, and this is also a good option, and I've been using this also. So now I'm just going to go in with my mousse and then apply that thoroughly onto the hair, and that's really it. It's actually very easy to take care of this hair. If you're using the human hair, I would say it's very easy to take care of it. Just going to go ahead. So you can actually do this not just for the curls, but for like the whole hair. Okay, so my lovelies, that's really how I take care of these beautiful braids. I really love it. Like, I can't even emphasize how much I love this style. I get a lot of compliments, like a whole lot of compliments whenever I go out, and it's just really amazing. So it does take a lot of product, so I actually do not do this like every day. Okay, it does take a lot of product because the hair is really long. I mean, just look at that. Like, the hair is really long, so it does take a lot of product because I would try and run it like all through the hair. I just don't want one part wet and one part looking scattered together. So that's really it for this video, lovelies. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. And if you watch to the end of this video, you already know you're the what? You already know you're the real MVP. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.